مرحبا أهلا وسهلا بكم. Welcome again to our Let's Speak Arabic with me, Dr. Imran Hamza Alawiye. Today's lesson is going to be at the cafe. What is a cafe in Arabic? A cafe in Arabic is مقهى. مقهى, a cafe. مقهى, a cafe. Now, let's go to the cafe. How do we say that in Arabic? هيا, that's mean let's. هيا, let's. نذهب, go. هيا نذهب, let's go. إلى, to. المقهى. المقهى. هيا نذهب إلى المقهى. Let's go to the cafe. Okay. On arrival at the cafe, we approach the waiter. So what's a waiter in Arabic? A waiter in Arabic is nadil. Nadil, a waiter. Nadil. Let's greet the waiter. Assalamu alaikum. Peace be upon you. And hopefully response will be wa alaikum assalam, and upon you maybe the peace. Or simply say marhaban, hello. Response ahlan wa sahlan, hello, welcome. Marhaban, hello. Ahlan wa sahlan, hello, welcome. And the nadil, waiter, will ask a usual question. How can I help you? What service shall I offer you? In Arabic, that would be أي خدمة. أي خدمة. How can I help you? Literally means أي is which, خدمة, service. Which service shall I offer you? Or which service do you require? أي خدمة. أي خدمة. Okay, our response would be, because three of us, myself, Imran, my two friends, Hassan and Hussein, so we'll say, a table for three, please. A table for three people, please. In Arabic, طاولة. طاولة means a table. Four is لي. طاولة لي. ثلاثة, that's mean three. أشخاص, people. طاولة لثلاثة أشخاص. Table for three, please. من فضلك, please. طاولة لثلاثة أشخاص. من فضلك. Table for three, please. If you want to say table for two, you say طاولة, table. لي, for. شخصين, for two people. طاولة لشخصين. من فضلك, please. The waiter will lead us to the table by saying شرفوا or تفضلوا. That's mean be our guest, please come in. شرفوا, like honor us by coming in. شرفوا or تفضلوا, please come in. So we have طاولة لشخصين, table for two, or in this case طاولة لثلاثة أشخاص, table for three people. من فضلك, please. and the Nadil, the waiter, said شرفوا or تفضلوا. Sitting at the table, the Nadil, the waiter, asked for the question and said the usual things. What would you like? What you desire to have? In Arabic, فيما ترغبون, فيما ترغبون, فيما ترغبون. What would you like? فيما ترغبون. What would you like? Let me be the spokesperson for the three. I would say شاي لي or شاي أخضر لي. Green tea for me. شاي, that's a tea. أخضر, green. شاي أخضر لي. Green tea for me. and قهوة عربية and Arab coffee لصديقي, for my friend حسن. قهوة عربية لصديقي حسن. Arab coffee for my friend حسن. and عصير برتقال لصديقي حسين. عصير برتقال, that's orange juice. برتقال, orange. عصير, juice. وعصير برتقال لصديقي حسين. Okay. How do we say, if you want some tea, for instance, with milk and sugar? What sugar? Sugar is سكر. سكر, sugar. Milk is حليب. So سكر, that means sugar. حليب, milk. What else can we add to this? Oh, mint. Mint is nana. Nana. So you can have your tea with sugar and milk, and you say شاي بسكر. شاي بالحليب. شاي بسكر, that means tea with sugar. شاي بالحليب, tea with milk. Or شاي بنعنع, tea with mint. نعنع. شاي بنعنع, tea with mint. You can have قهوة بالحليب, coffee with milk. قهوة بسكر, coffee with sugar. If you don't want any sugar or milk, you can say بدون, that's mean without, بدون سكر ولا حليب. No sugar, no milk. بدون سكر ولا حليب. No sugar, no milk. Okay. Now, Nadil, the waiter, asked further question and said, هل تريدون شيئا من الأكلات الخفيفة? Would you like any snacks, any light food item with your drinks? With is مع. مع مشروباتكم, with your drinks. هل تريدون شيئا من الأكلات الخفيفة مع مشروباتكم? Would you like any snacks with your drinks? Okay, let me make a decision for everybody. Yes. I'll just ask question and say, do you have cakes? Cakes? Do you have cake? How do we say that? هل لديكم كعكة؟ هل لديكم كعكة? Do you have cake? هل لديكم كعكة? And the نادل, waiter, may say, نعم لدينا كعكة الفواكه. Yes, we have fruit cake. لدينا كعكة فواكه. فواكه, that's your fruit. نعم, yes, لدينا كعكة الفواكه. We have fruit cake. In that case, let's order 2 pieces of fruit cake. Okay, how do we say that? قطعتين, that means 2 pieces. قطعتين من كعكة الفواكه. قطعتين من كعكة الفواكه. 2 pieces of cakes, please. قطعتين من كعكة الفواكه. من فضلك. And the Nadir, very nice man, who say, على عيني, على عيني. I'm at your service. Now, على عيني, literal translation would be, on my eyes, meaning just where I look after my eyes, I will look after you as well. It's very interesting expression. على عيني. Or simply just say, على العين والرأس. Mention where you look after your eyes, where you look after your brain, your head, you look after your customers as well. Interesting. Interesting. That's why if you want to express your love for somebody, you can just say, Ya Aini, Ya Aini, my dearest, Ya Aini. As if you are saying, you are the apple of my eyes. Yes. Ya Aini, Ya Aini. Allah, Ya Aini. Yes, okay. Don't let's get carried with this. Come on, settle down. Right. Ala Aini, at your service. Then the Nadil returns with the orders and said, ها هي طلباتكم. These are your orders. ها هي طلباتكم. تفضلوا. Come on, get tucked in. ها هي طلباتكم. These are your orders. And what do we say in return? Nice thing, actually. The expression, I love it. You say, سلم الله يديك. سلم الله يديك. May God bless your hands. As if we are saying, the hands that you have employed, you have used to serve us, may God bless them. سلم الله يديك. May God bless your hands. And the Nadil, the waiter, would say, بصحة والعافية. It's like, bon appetit, bon appetit, enjoy it. بصحة والعافية. Good health. Enjoy it, and may it be, agreed with your body, with your health, and give you healthy stuff. Yes. بصحة والعافية. Bon appetit. Okay, now we have tucked in, ate our cakes, and drank our tea and coffee and juice and the rest. So, let's find out how much we have to pay for all this. What are the damages? What is the damage? Come on. You say, bills, please. الحساب من فضلك. الحساب, bill, please. Let's discover how much. bill. الحساب من فضلك. الحساب من فضلك. And Nadil may ask, how would you like to pay? كيف تريد أن تدفع? How would you like to pay? كيف تريد أن تدفع? how would you like to pay? Then I can say, I pay on behalf of everybody. Yes, of course I will. I would say, okay, هل يمكن أن أدفع, may I pay نقدا, in cash? Yes, I'm still paying in cash. So using cash. هل يمكن, is it possible, أن أدفع, to pay, نقدا, in cash? Okay. And with the waiter, Nadil, they say, نعم, كما تريدون, as you like. كما تريد, as you like. نقدا أو ببطاقة اعتماد. You may pay cash or credit card. نقدا, that's cash, أو ببطاقة اعتماد, or by using your credit card. Sian is the same. Sian, it's the same. Okay, so check my pocket. Luckily I have enough to pay. So I say, ها هو المبلغ. This is the amount. ها هو المبلغ. المبلغ is the amount. ها هو, this is it. ها هو المبلغ. Then because as a, good person, I now say, واحتفظ بالباقي, and keep the rest. Yes. إكرامية, as a tip. That's it. That's a tip for you. احتفظ, that's how you say keep the rest. احتفظ بالباقي, keep the rest. إكرامية, as a tip. And then they'll say, أنا ممنون, I'm grateful. شكرا جزيلا, thank you so much. أنا ممنون, I'm grateful. And we can thank the waiter as well by saying, thank you for your excellent service. شكرا جزيلا على الخدمة المتميزة. It's a very unique and very excellent service indeed. Thank you so much. شكرا جزيلا على الخدمة المتميزة. Thank you so much for great service. And the waiter will say, لا شكر على واجب. There's no need to thank me. I'm doing my duty. لا شكر, don't mention it. لا شكر على واجب. There is no need for thanking me. I'm glad that I was able to help. لا شكر على واجب. أرجو أن نراكم مرة أخرى قريبا إن شاء الله. I hope that we see you soon again, God willing. نرجو وأرجو أن نراكم مرة أخرى قريبا إن شاء الله. We hope to see you again soon, إن شاء الله. مع السلامة. Goodbye. إلى اللقاء. Until we meet again. Here we are. Please go out there, find an Arab cafe and surprise them with your beautiful expression in language. Come on, that's your homework. Now, each of you, try your best trying to locate an Arab cafe in your locality, and off you go. Have a go at it and revise your phrases. Inshallah, we meet up again soon, perhaps at the restaurant next time. Inshallah. Thank you so much for watching and keep going. And if you have any suggestion for any particular topic you would like me to address, let me know. Your comment below, please. I read them and I thank those of you who have been very appreciative. Thank you so much. And by the way, I'm still raising funds for my charity, Helping Hands for Education. And the link is below, helpinghandsforeducation.org. شكرا جزيلا. مع السلامة. إلى اللقاء. في أمان الله.